I want to say a big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to me this really awesome hand warmer. This gives nearly almost instant warmth in just 3 seconds. And it also has 3 heating settings as well, so you're going to find something that's really comfortable for you. And not only is it a hand warmer, it's also a fidget toy as well, so it's quite a bit of fun if you are wanting to de-stress. It's really compact, perfect for pockets, not just pockets by your side, but also your inside pocket as well if you want to warm up, get nice and snug. It has a really nice long battery life, and it is a rechargeable, so you're not going to need to get extra batteries. You can just charge it up and go. And the battery does last a really long time. It's lightweight and compact, and it's perfect for hikers, walkers, dog walkers. Maybe you go to lots of sporting events and you want to have your hands nice and toasty. It's going to be really great. It's also really giftable as well, so if you want to gift it to someone, I think they're going to really appreciate it. I'd like to get it as a gift. Thank you again to the branding team for gifting this to me. I really do appreciate it, and thank you so much for watching.